Om Namah Shivaya. Namaskar friends. So today we will discuss about the Panch Kedar, which is a integral part of the Hindu mythology. And we all know that how the Hindu gods has been worshipped by Hindus, and it's all around. When it's come to that Himalaya, we can find the home of the Lord Shiva. So friends, before we go to that Panch Kedar, so first of all we have to understand the legends behind it. So as we all know, the great war of Mahabharata, and after Mahabharata Kurukshetra war, the Pandav have been made a great sin by killing their own people, own relatives among the Brahmins and all their friends. So they have made a great sin, and after that, after over the Kurukshetra war, they have found that they didn't have any inner peace. So to find that eternal peace, they have thought that they have to go for the monks. যদি আমি বাংলাতে বলি, মোক্ষ পাওয়ার জন্য তাদের তখন উদ্গ্রীব প্রাণ, and towards the getting that moksha, they have been visited to the Kashi, or we can call it Banaras, which is known as the home of the Lord Shiva. But in the meantime, Lord Shiva was very unpleased on the Pandav because of their unfaithfulness, or that unethically they have been fought that war of the Kurukshetra on advice of the Lord Sri Krishna. So ভগবান মহাদেব পাণ্ডবদের ওপরে এতটাই রুষ্ট ছিলেন যে তিনি তখন কাশী ধাম ছেড়ে নিজেকে আত্মগোপন করার জন্য একটা বুল বা ষাঁড় রূপে গারোয়াল হিমালয়তে গিয়ে আত্মগোপন করেন. And when that Pandava has been reached in the city of the Kashi, they have not found Lord Shiva. So they have been searching, and they went to the Garhwal Himalaya. So খুঁজতে খুঁজতে after a long time, যখন Bhim, the second Pandav, have found, so the second Pandav has found a lonely bull has been moving in the meadows of the Himalaya. So they thought that this might be the Bhagavan Shiv, or Lord Shiva. So he tried to catch that bull, and when he tries that act, that bull has been tried to disappear by throwing himself towards the ground of the Himalaya, and he could be disappeared. And then the Pandav has been realized that this is Lord Shiva, who might have been the unpleased on them, and he has been avoiding the Pandavas to give them the advice to how they can get the moksha from their sin. And this way, when the bull has been disappeared in the ground, and it's again reappear in a 5 part in the different parts of the Garhwal Himalaya, and today we know these 5 parts as the Panch Kedar. It consists of from the Kedarnath Ji temple, then it's come to the Tunganath Ji temple, then the Madhamayesh or Madmayesh we can say, then Rudranath and Kalpeshwar.
ईश गिरीश नरेश परेश महेश विले
we should know that how the name Guptakashi has been come. So, as I have already told you, that when Lord Shiva has been hide himself as being a bull in the Garhwal Himalaya, that place called today is the Guptakashi, as because নিজেকে উনি গুপ্ত করে রেখেছিলেন বা লুকিয়ে রেখেছিলেন. দ্য সিক্রেট কাশি ইজ কল্ড দ্য গুপ্ত কাশি. দ্যাটস ওয়াই ইটস দ্য নেম ইজ গুপ্ত কাশি. নাও উই হ্যাভ কাম টু দ্যাট 5 কেদার, দ্য পাঞ্চ কেদার. সো কেদারনাথ জি যেটা আজকে আমরা দেখতে পাই, তো কেদারনাথ জি হ্যাজ বিন ওয়ার্শিপ দ্যাট পার্ট হুইচ উই হ্যাভ বিন ফাউন্ড দেয়ার, দ্যাট ইজ দ্য ব্যাক সাইড অফ দ্য বুল, বা আমরা বলতে পারি যে কুঁজ বা পিঠ, যে একটা ষাঁড়ের কুঁজ বা পিঠ যেটা থাকে, সেটাই আজকের কেদারনাথজির টেম্পলে যেটা আমরা শিবের রূপে পুজো করি সেটা. তারপরেই আসে তুঙ্গনাথজি, অ্যান্ড তুঙ্গনাথ ইজ দ্য ওয়ার্ল্ড হাইয়েস্ট শিব টেম্পল. তুঙ্গনাথজিতে উই ক্যান ফাউন্ড দ্যাট দ্য আর্মস অফ দ্যাট বুল, দ্যাট হাত আর পা বা চারটে পা, দ্যাট হ্যাজ বিন ওয়ার্শিপ অ্যাজ এ শিব sibling. Next come to the Madhya বা the Madhya বা Madhya. So here we have found that the navi or udar বা পেট, সেই যে বুলটার বা ষাঁড়টার, সেটা আমরা দেখতে পাই. and now then it's come to the রুদ্রনাথ. রুদ্রনাথে আমরা ফেস দেখতে পাই বা মুখমণ্ডল যেটা দেখতে পাই. and last one is the কল্পেশ্বর, where we have found that hair or the case বা চুল, মাথার চুল সেটা. Now the question has been come that 4,000 years people has been found that every part of that bull has been found. Only thing is that the head is not found. There are some people who told that there is another temple which is situated at the Bhaktapur, currently in Nepal, which called that Doleshwar Mahadev temple, where we have found the head of that bull. Though I am not confirming, but there are some people who believe that is also a part of the Kedar. So the archaeological society and of the carbon analysis of that, the stone of Kedarnath and the Doleshwar Mahadev has been found to be the almost the similar, and it has been old more than 4,000 years. So it has been believed that, and nobody can confirm that how many days or how many years or how many thousand years these temples has been aged behind. But currently you can find that the temple which we can found there in Kedarnath, Madhya and the Tunganath has been built in the 9th or 10th century by Shankaracharya. But the old one, the ancient temples, we didn't find, or the people can't know that how old it is. But yes, that carbon print and everything has been suggested that these temples are old more than 4,000 years, which the latest information we have. So friends, today we can discuss till now, and in next our episode we will come with more details of all the Panch Kedar, and how the Pandavas has got their marks and how they have been gone to the heaven by their own soul and their own body, which nobody can't go by their own body to the heaven, but how they have been gone there. So that story will come with our next episode. For today, thank you. Om Namah Shivaya. Thank you.